Welcome back, beauties. We are thrilled to share some incredible beauty secrets with you today. Together, we'll dive into the world of healthy hair and nails, exploring 10 original, effective tips that really work. From the magic of biotin to the wonders of essential oils, we've got a whole lineup of secrets ready to be unveiled. And let's not forget about proper proteins, mindful massages, and the surprising secret of silk. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets to divine beauty. Our first beauty secret is something you might have heard before, but it's worth repeating: hydration. Yes, the simple act of drinking plenty of water can work wonders. Not just for your overall health, but specifically for the luster of your hair and the strength of your nails. Think of water as the ultimate beauty elixir, your body's natural moisturizer. It helps to flush out toxins, promoting clear, glowing skin. But did you know it also encourages hair and nail growth? Proper hydration provides your hair and nails with the vital nutrients they need, directly from within. It aids in preventing dryness, brittleness, and breakage, so make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. You'll be surprised by the noticeable difference it can make. Remember, water is the elixir of life and beauty. It all begins with hydration. Beauty, after all, starts from within. Tip 2. Moving on to our second secret, let's talk about biotin. This is a crucial vitamin that plays a pivotal role in the health of our hair and nails. It's often referred to as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, but no matter what you call it, it's a powerhouse when it comes to promoting growth and strength. Biotin helps our bodies convert food into energy more efficiently, and this increased metabolism has a direct impact on the health of our hair and nails. Regular intake of biotin can lead to thicker, longer hair and stronger, healthier nails. Now, where do we get this magical ingredient? Biotin can be found in a variety of foods, including eggs, almonds, cauliflower, cheese, mushrooms, sweet potato, and spinach. It's also available in supplement form for those who struggle to get enough from their diet alone. So consider biotin as your secret weapon in the pursuit of beauty. Biotin is indeed a beauty booster. Tip 3. Our third secret is all about the power of essential oils. These concentrated plant extracts are not just fragrant, they're packed with potent benefits for both hair and nails. They're like a little spa in a bottle, bringing nature's gifts right to your home. Let's start with lavender oil, a true multitasker. Its soothing properties can help calm the scalp and promote hair growth. For glossy locks, try argan oil, a natural conditioner that tames frizz and adds shine. Now, for your nails, tea tree oil is a gem. Its antifungal properties can keep your nails healthy and strong. Moving on, rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth, while jojoba oil is a hydrating hero, combating dryness in both hair and nails. And let's not forget about peppermint oil. This invigorating essence can improve blood circulation, encouraging both hair and nail growth. Don't underestimate the power of nature's essence in oils. Tip 4. Diving into our fourth beauty secret, it's all about proteins. Just like your muscles, your hair and nails crave protein. This essential nutrient is the building block of keratin, a type of protein that makes up our hair, skin, and nails. So if you want luscious locks and sturdy nails, ensure your diet is rich in protein. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy. Opt for plant-based proteins too, like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. If you're not a big meat eater, don't worry. There are plenty of protein-packed grains and nuts to choose from. Quinoa, almonds, and chia seeds are all great options. Protein supplements can also be beneficial, but remember, they are a supplement, not a replacement. Your primary protein source should always be from whole foods. So get your protein fix and watch your hair and nails transform. They will thank you for it. Protein is the building block of beauty. Tip 5. Let's reveal our fifth beauty secret: massages. Massages aren't just for relaxation, they're a beauty secret that's been under our fingertips all along. Gentle scalp massages stimulate blood flow, promoting lush, healthy hair. Hand massages, especially around the nail beds, can also enhance nail health and growth. Using nourishing oils during these massages can add an extra boost of hydration and nutrition. So don't underestimate the power of a few minutes of self-pampering. Remember, a little massage goes a long way. Tip 6. Our sixth secret is the power of vitamins. Vitamins are not just good for your body, they're crucial for your beauty regimen too. Let's focus on vitamin E and C. Vitamin E helps repair damaged hair follicles and keeps your hair looking shiny. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is responsible for collagen production, essential for strong, healthy nails. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to stock up on foods rich in these vitamins. Vitamins are your beauty allies. Tip 7 is something quite luxurious: silk. Yes, silk, the fabric of emperors and queens, can be your secret weapon to healthier hair and nails. Silk pillowcases in particular are a game changer. Sleeping on them can significantly reduce friction, preventing hair breakage and helping maintain your hairstyle. Imagine waking up with tangle-free, lustrous locks every morning. Now that's a dream come true. Moreover, silk accessories like scrunchies and headbands are gentle on your hair, reducing damage caused by regular elastics. But the benefits don't end there. Silk gloves can work wonders for your nails too. Wearing them overnight allows your moisturizers and oils to penetrate deeper, resulting in healthier, stronger nails. So why not incorporate some silk into your beauty routine? It's an investment in yourself, a touch of luxury that brings concrete results. Silk, the secret weapon of beauty. Tip 8. Our 8th beauty secret is all about cuticle care. Cuticles, those tiny slivers of skin at the base of your nails, play a crucial role in the overall health of your nails. They serve as a protective barrier, preventing bacteria from sneaking in and causing infections. Neglecting them can lead to painful hangnails and even nail loss in severe cases. So how do you keep your cuticles happy and healthy? Well, it's actually quite simple. First, never cut your cuticles. Despite what you might have heard, this can actually do more harm than good. Instead, gently push them back using a cuticle pusher after a warm water soak. Second, keep them moisturized. Dry cuticles can lead to peeling and splitting, which is not a good look. Use a cuticle oil or cream daily to keep them soft and supple. And remember, good cuticle care doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about consistency and gentleness. Cuticle care is the key to nail nirvana. Tip 9 is regular trims. Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't cutting hair counterproductive if we're trying to grow it out? But hear me out. Trimming your hair regularly is more about maintaining the health of your hair rather than accelerating its growth. When we neglect regular trims, our hair can develop split ends. These can travel up the hair shaft, causing damage and breakage, which ultimately stunts the growth of our hair. By trimming those ends every 6 to 8 weeks, we nip this problem in the bud, keeping our hair looking healthy, shiny, and vibrant. Think of it as a tree. To ensure it grows tall and strong, we prune away the dead branches. The same logic applies to our hair. By removing the damaged parts, we're fostering an environment for our hair to thrive. And there you have it. Regular trims lead to ravishing results. Tip 10. Moving on to our 10th beauty secret, hair masks. These are not just ordinary conditioners, but deep conditioning treatments that can help heal damaged hair. They contain rich ingredients such as natural oils and lipids in heavier concentrations, making them a potent tool in your beauty arsenal. Hair masks can significantly reduce hair breakage and make your hair feel healthy and revitalized. Let's delve into some specific ingredients. If you have dry hair, look for masks that contain ingredients like argan oil, coconut oil, or shea butter. These ingredients are known for their moisturizing properties, providing your hair with much-needed hydration and shine. On the other hand, if you have oily hair, look for masks that contain ingredients like green tea, apple cider vinegar, or Moroccan clay. These ingredients can help balance the oil production in your scalp, leaving your hair feeling fresh and light. Now, let's talk about a special combination that can do wonders: avocado, olive oil, and egg. Hair masks made with these ingredients are rich in nutrients that nourish the hair. Avocado is packed with vitamins A, D, E, and B6, and minerals like magnesium and iron, which help nourish and moisturize the hair, promoting health and shine. Olive oil, its high levels of monounsaturated fatty acids and vitamin E, is fantastic for hair hydration. And the protein in eggs helps to strengthen your hair. In essence, hair masks are a spa treatment for your hair. They pamper, nourish, and rejuvenate your locks, giving them the care they deserve. So if you want your hair to look and feel its best, say yes to hair masks. Remember, your hair is your crown, and every crown deserves a little bit of sparkle. And lastly, we come to our 11th beauty secret: patience. True beauty is not an instant occurrence. It demands time, dedication, and indeed, patience. Essentially, beauty calls for 3 key elements. 1. An understanding that beauty requires time, dedication, and patience. 2. Recognition that every step of your beauty routine, from hydration, harnessing biotin, making use of essential oils, eating the right proteins, practicing mindful massages, embracing vitamins, discovering the benefits of silk, caring for your cuticles, to scheduling regular trims, is of utmost importance. 3. A realization that beauty is not a finish line to be, but a journey to be appreciated and enjoyed. As we wrap up, we want to express our gratitude for you joining us today, beauties. If you've enjoyed our video and found it helpful, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty secrets and tips.